Today at Mullin Machinery, you have a beautiful Doall model ZV-3620. That's a 36-inch throat. Imagine it's probably for 20-inch under the front guides. New in 1994. Uses a 234-inch band. This is a friction saw, so it will run from 1,000 to 15,000 feet per minute. Currently wired for a 230 volt 3-phase. Here's your speed adjuster. Actually it says 3,000 to 15,000. I don't know if there's a high or low, but 3,000 to 15,000 feet per minute on the handle. There go your high-speed blade guides. Saw is overall in good shape. I mean, you get your little scratches and dings in the paint from being in a shop, but saw does not appear to be abused or anything. There's a tilt adjustment on the table. So we're going to put a vacuum on it. These are access covers to get into the belts. You can't see with the light in here, the big very dry belt. Over there is your 10 horsepower motor. It's your big very belt drive. I must say, when I first put it on, it kind of spooked me how fast it moves, but it is a friction saw. We do have a saw pusher we'll throw in with it. I wouldn't want fingers anywhere near that moving blade. So right now we're down about 4,000 feet per minute. Well, there you have it. Seems to run good. Overall in great shape. New replacement on one of these saws is some crazy number. Last I looked, it was somewhere around 104,000 or 108,000. Some crazy number. Of course, the newer ones come with a variable frequency drive instead of a varied belt drive, but I don't know how well they hold up in time in shops. You can't kill these old belt drives that easy. But you can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.